welcome to our course on anatomy and physiology. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the human body and how it functions, let's start by defining what anatomy and physiology are. Anatomy is the study of the structure and organization of living organisms. It includes the study of the different systems, organs, and tissues that make up the body. Physiology, on the other hand, is the study of the function of living organisms. It looks at how the body's systems, organs, and tissues work together to maintain homeostasis, or balance, within the body. Together, anatomy and physiology give us a complete understanding of the human body and how it works. As said earlier, anatomy is the scientific study of the structure and organization of the body. It is a vast field that is divided into several subdisciplines, each focusing on a specific aspect of the body. One of the main subdisciplines of anatomy is gross anatomy, which deals with the study of the structure of the body using dissection and observation. This includes the study of the organs, bones, muscles, and other major structures of the body. Another subdiscipline is microscopic anatomy, which involves the study of the structure of the body at a microscopic level. This includes the study of cells, tissues, and organ systems, as well as the molecular and chemical processes that occur within the body. Developmental anatomy, also known as embryology, is the study of the changes that occur in the body during fetal development. This includes the development of the organs and tissues, as well as the genetic and environmental factors that influence development. There are also subdisciplines that focus on specific body systems, such as cardiovascular anatomy, which deals with the structure and function of the heart and blood vessels, and respiratory anatomy, which deals with the structure and function of the lungs and airways. Finally, there is functional anatomy, which deals with the way that the body's structures and systems work together to perform specific functions. This includes the study of movement, balance, and coordination. So as you can see, anatomy is a complex and diverse field, with many different subdisciplines working together to provide a comprehensive understanding of the human body. Before we go on, let's talk a bit about surface anatomy. This is also another subdiscipline of anatomy which is of great importance to people in the medical field. So, what exactly is surface anatomy? Surface anatomy is the study of the external features of the body and how they relate to the underlying structures. It involves the examination of the skin, muscles, and bones on the surface of the body. This is important because it allows us to understand the function and location of the internal organs and systems, as well as diagnose and treat various medical conditions. There are several different procedures used in surface anatomy. One of the most common is palpation, which involves feeling the surface of the body with the hands to detect any abnormalities or changes in texture. Another is percussion, which involves tapping the surface of the body to determine the underlying structures. Another procedure used in surface anatomy is auscultation, which involves listening to the sounds produced by the body using a stethoscope. This can help us identify any abnormalities in the heart, lungs, or other internal organs. Finally, inspection is another important procedure in surface anatomy. This involves visually examining the surface of the body for any abnormalities or changes in color or texture. This can help us identify any skin conditions or other issues that may require further examination or treatment. Overall, surface anatomy is a crucial aspect of healthcare and is used to understand and diagnose various medical conditions. By using various procedures such as palpation, percussion, auscultation, and inspection, we can accurately identify and treat any issues that may arise. Now, let's take a closer look at the different systems that make up the human body. The first and most essential system is the nervous system. This system is responsible for receiving and interpreting sensory information, as well as coordinating and controlling the body's response to that information. It includes the brain, the spinal cord, and the network of nerves that run throughout the body. The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is responsible for pumping oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells and removing waste products. It includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The respiratory system is responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and removing carbon dioxide. It includes the nose, throat, lungs, and bronchi. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The urinary system is responsible for removing waste products and excess water from the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The endocrine system is responsible for producing and releasing hormones, which are chemical messengers that help regulate the body's functions. It includes the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, and adrenal glands, among others. The immune system is responsible for protecting the body against infection and disease. It includes the spleen, lymph nodes, and white blood cells. The musculoskeletal system is responsible for movement and support. It includes the bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Finally, the integumentary system is responsible for protecting the body against external harm. It includes the skin, hair, and nails. Now that we've covered the different systems of the body, let's take a look at how they all work together to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis is the state of balance within the body. It's the body's way of ensuring that all of its systems are working together smoothly and efficiently. For example, when you exercise and your muscles start to tire, your body releases chemicals called hormones to help your muscles recover. This is an example of homeostasis at work, as the body is maintaining balance within itself by responding to a change in its environment. So, as you can see, anatomy and physiology are essential to understanding how the human body works and how to maintain good health. We hope you enjoy learning more about these fascinating subjects as we delve deeper into the course.